Ramogi machiegni pautuke kama tim maradhula mar KCB ikorene tugo magi kodira ikini kod Murang'a Seal e tugo mar League mar KPL. KCB osewito tuke ariyo maluore ka kocha Robert Matano wacho ni sani gigeto chulo kuoro e tugo ma Jumapil no. KCB sani ni thuolo mar 10 e League points 6 kende kanyaka sani giseloyo tuke ariyo kende. Jalup Captain Humphrey Mieno wacho ni gin gigeno mar dok e loch kendo ko wacho ni ikruok magisebedo godo ni en ngadho mamalo.
Right now, I can say the confidence level is not that high because of the back-to-back losses. But the good thing is that we are really focused and trying to come up and focus on the next match. Yes, the preparations are going on very well. The coach is trying to come up with tactics to face the next opponent, and we are trying also to build from what we had the other matches, like the mistakes, try to correct the mistakes.
Always our expectation is always to play and win every match. And we lost 2 matches in a row. It's very painful, but nothing we can do now. It's behind our back. We are focusing about the coming matches. The closest match is about Murang'a. It's going to be a tough match because they have been losing. So I think that's like final game now. Every